Hi all, welcome back to C++ tutorial on detail.Program. This session is on an introduction to operator overloading in C++ programming language. In our previous sessions, we have discussed about overloading. We have seen about the function overloading concept in C++, where we had multiple functions with same name. And we have referred to this scenario as polymorphism. We have seen that it was a type of compile-time polymorphism in C++ programming language. So you can also look at a relate operator overloading also as a kind of compile-time polymorphism in C++. So what is operator overloading? In C++, we can make operators to work for user-defined classes. This means C++ has the ability to provide the operators with a special meaning for a data type. This ability is known as operator overloading. For example, say if we had two integers a and b, we could easily do a plus b. The plus operator computes the addition of a and b. But the same operator, if you need to apply with the objects of your classes, say for example, we have a class A and let's say we have created objects, say obj1 and obj2. If you intend to compute the sum of these objects obj1 and obj2, that is, if you intend to perform obj1 plus obj2, in order to use the addition operator here, it is required to overload the operator plus. So this is the importance of operator overloading concept in C++ programming language. So how do you implement this? The syntax for the same is as shown. Specify the return type of your function and the function name should be operator followed by the symbol of the operator which you're trying to overload. If for example it is the addition operator that you're trying to overload, you should specify like this. Suppose if the return type of the function is void, then you should write it as void and the function name is operator followed by the symbol plus to compute the operation. So this is the syntax for writing an operator overloaded function in C++. You could implement an operator overloaded functions in two ways. You could implement the same either as a member function of your class or you could implement the same as a friend function. So there are certain rules to be considered here. If you are overloading a unary operator as a member function of your class, then there should be zero arguments or no argument to the operator overloaded function. If you are overloading a binary operator as a member function of the class, then there should be one argument. Same way, if you want to overload a unary operator as a friend function of the class, there should be one argument, and overloading a binary operator as a friend function of the class requires two arguments to the function. So this rule has to be followed to implement an operator overloaded function in C++. So you could overload almost all operators, but there are few exceptions. For example, the ternary operator, the scope resolution operator, size of operator, etc., which you cannot overload. So how we implement an operator overloaded function both as a member and a friend and also the unary and binary operators will be discussed in the next session. So keep watching. Thank you so much. Please do watch, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.